वन थॉट जो हर स्टूडेंट के माइंड में आता है, हु इज प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम, बोर्ड्स और एनीथिंग, लाइक कभी ना कभी एक बार तो आया होगा, how to study for 16 hours a day. So hi guys, I'm Dr. Yokesh Arul from GB Pant MAMC, NEET SS All India Rank 25 and AIMS All India Rank 13. And अगर आपको इस वीडियो से कुछ भी बेनिफिट चाहिए, please take a pen and paper right now and sit with me because this video will change your life. And let me be honest, 90% लोग इस वीडियो को पूरा भी नहीं देख पाएंगे क्योंकि उनकी ब्रेन लिटरली सड़ा हुआ है, which I call brain rot. So pause this video right now, take a pen and paper and sit with me. Now before we get into the topic, how to study for 16 hours a day, क्या एक इंसान actually 16 hours पढ़ाई कर सकता है? Well, the answer is going to surprise you. Now all you need is 5 points and you will be the best in your class. Class क्या? Batch, I mean even your university. So ध्यान से सुनो. Step 1, always have a plan. This is the most important step ever. Now let's say you have an exam in 3 months or 6 months or 9 months. Alright, for example, I'm going to take 6 months. So you should always be prepared 1 month in advance. Like guys, for example, I participated in this male pageantry, Rubaru Mr. India, and I hired a coach for, building my body. So he told one fact which I learned from him, and it was like, Yokesh, we always have to stay prepared in advance. We need to have a buffer time. So we were ready well in advance, like I guess 1 month back or 6 weeks back. So I applied this same concept to my NEET SS and the results were outstanding. For those who don't know, I studied in a private medical college for my MBBS. My dad had to sell his plot, and for MD, I just managed to scrape through a peripheral government medical college, and today I'm in India's best government hospital. So this is a learning lesson. Always stay prepared in advance, and to achieve that, you need a plan. Now let's say आपके हाथ में 5 महीने हैं. Now all you have to do is divide it into monthly target. हर महीने आपको एक टारगेट सेट होना चाहिए कि भाई इस मंथ में ये करने वाला हूँ, इस मंथ में ये करने वाला हूँ. अब इस मंथ को लेकर डिवाइडेड इनटू वीकली टारगेट्स कि भाई इस हफ्ते में क्या करूंगा. सो व्हेन यू हैव अ प्लान इन दिस वे, यू विल नो व्हाट टू अचीव दिस वीक. यू विल हैव अ गोल टू चेस, एंड आपको पता है कि इफ यू अचीव दिस गोल, you will do it. Now in order to achieve this feeling properly, you have to divide your day too. Now this is where time blocking comes into play. Now I've already explained this in detail in a separate video, but I'm going to explain this in short. Time blocking का basic concept ये है कि you write down what you're going to do every hour. 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. Every hour तुम क्या करने वाले हो, you're going to write it down and keep it so that you will not lose time, you will not waste time. If you have a target from 8 to 9, you're going to do this. 9 to 10, you're going to do that. You will not have time to sit and scroll. Your mind will pinch you. Your mind will feel like, भाई मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं इस टाइम में मैं ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ. So you will not waste time by doom scrolling. Step 2, focus sprints. अब time blocking में I told कि यार 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. बट ये ड्यूरेशन कैसे डिसाइड होगा. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन आई एम क्लोजिंग टुवर्ड्स एग्जाम, आई लाइक टू कीप longer sprints. Now if I'm starting my preparation after a very long time, I like to keep the sprints very short. So मेरे पास 3 ऑप्शन है, या तो 90-minute sprint followed by a 15-minute rest, और 50-minute sprint followed by a 10-minute rest, or a 30-minute sprint followed by a 5-minute rest. So I'll give you a good example. Let's say I'm studying from 9 to 10:30. 10 to 10:45 I'm going to take rest. I'm going to relax and I'm going to breathe. And 10:45 to the next slot, again I'm going to sit for 1.5 hours. So when you have a plan like this and you set targets for each and every hour, you will not waste time. And one more very important factor is, whenever you're taking rest, please avoid scrolling. Sit back, relax, go to your balcony, look out, get some fresh air, and trust me, this will make a very big difference. And step 3, my favorite part, is white noise. Go to Spotify or YouTube and type white noise. Now ये white noise basically क्या करता है? Your mind basically has 2 different frequencies and wavelengths to focus upon. So I personally feel whenever I listen to such music, it just keeps my other distracted part of the mind occupied, and it keeps the other part of my mind super focused. Now this is going to sound a bit weird, but white noise doesn't work as effectively as it should for me. There are many types of musics like 126 Hz, 256 Hz and 512 Hz. Now this is going to sound a bit weird, but मेरे सारे topper friends they usually listen to 126 Hz or 256 Hz type of music, थोड़ा सा lower frequency, क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि इसमें ज़्यादा focus मिलता है. But मेरे को तो उस tune में बिल्कुल focus नहीं होता है. I feel that to be a bit irritating and I'm pretty sure a lot of you can relate with me. So I usually like to listen to high frequency music, vocal music or a lot of music जिसमें beat ज़्यादा होता है, but they will not have any lyrics. So these type of musics bring a lot of focus in me and a lot of concentration in me. So at the end of the day, the type of music which suits you, आपको खुद ही decide करना चाहिए कि यार what suits me, what is bringing focus in me, and this will take time. थोड़ा सा trial and error कर लेना. My advice is start with low frequencies 126 and 256. Mostly इससे काम हो जाना चाहिए. अगर नहीं हुआ then you can go with higher frequencies. Step 4, distractions. Now trust me, even an average student can become anyone if he cuts out all his distractions. मेरे हिसाब से distraction is the biggest thing. And deep down inside we all know कि भाई if you're having a partner, वो लड़की या लड़का text कर रहा है कि यार ये करो, वो करो, यहाँ चलता है, वहाँ चलता है, it is a distraction. If you're having a partner जिनको तुम actually शादी करना चाहते हो, that partner will actually push you and make you work harder. Alright, so make sure you're having the right partner. Number 2, मेरे हिसाब से there are two types of distractions, internal distractions and external distractions. अब external distractions में you have your phone. Now phones are made in such a way क्योंकि it is meant to notify you कि यार ये notification देखो, WhatsApp, Instagram, story, what's going on in others' life. तो when you see some stuffs like that, आपको लगता है यार उनकी लाइफ कितनी सही चल रहा है and हमारी लाइफ कितनी खराब है. And trust me, me being an influencer, I can clearly say that कि भाई most of the things which we post are kind of fake. I try to be as honest as possible with my audience, like even my hard times, my everything, funny lives and everything. I think even in one of my stories, I even used a bad word. A lot of DMs came to me like कि भाई तुम गाली दे रहे हो, ये दे रहे हो. I was like नहीं यार, my audience deserves to know the bad side of me also. So anyways, let's come back to the real topic. Internal distractions is a different story. Internal distractions is about what you think. Now let's say आप पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, you're full focused and this and that, बीच में एक thought आ रहा है कि यार गोवा जाना है दोस्तों के साथ, क्या होगा, एग्जाम के बाद क्या होगा, ये होने के बाद लाइफ कैसे होगा. So these sort of distractions are very very common. अगर आपको ऐसा distractions आ रहा है, don't worry about it, don't attack yourself, it's fine. But आपके हाथ में जो है is to cut out all the external distractions. Internal distractions धीरे धीरे कम हो जाएंगे. Now one more pro tip to avoid all your distractions is change your study space. I know this might sound a bit weird, but when I was preparing for my NEET SS exam, like morning 5:30 to 12, I used to study in a different table, और शाम में 4 के बाद I used to study in a different table. And बीच में I used to even work out because भाई जब तुम workout करते हो ना, it literally recharges you. Like it just brings in everything यार. जब आप वर्कआउट करते हो आपके डाइट अच्छे होते हैं, जब डाइट अच्छे होते हैं आपकी माइंड अच्छा होगा, जब आपकी माइंड अच्छा रहेगा ना, you'll be focused. आज तक मैं इतना बोल सकता हूँ कि जो लोग इतनी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, none of them work out. Alright, so if you are managing to work out, take care of your health and still study and become like a topper कि भाई उससे better कुछ भी नहीं है. Step 5, keep your promises to yourself. भाई ये सबसे important step है. इसका basic मतलब ये है कि अगर मान लो आप खुद से बोल रहे हो कि भाई आज मैं ये चैप्टर पढ़ूंगा, ये चैप्टर पढ़ूंगा and I will revise it and I will also solve some MCQs. At the end of the day, अगर आपका टारगेट्स नहीं हुआ, it should pinch you कि मैंने क्यों नहीं करा. And next day when you wake up, you should be motivated and you should feel कि भाई आज मैंने ये बोला है तो मेरे को करना है. Don't over promise yourself. Don't be like कि भाई मैं 5 चैप्टर पढ़ूंगा, ये कर लूंगा, वो देख लूंगा. Make sure the promises are doable and it should be slightly above doable. तो आपकी do list ऐसा होना चाहिए कि more than 90% targets must be achieved. Like for me a sweet spot is 80 to 90%. Alright, अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा अचीव कर पा रहे हो, that means you need to add more tasks, and if it's less than 70%, then you need to focus. Guys, there's a very very famous saying, one of my inspirational podcasters जो मैंने सुना है कि वो बोलते हैं ना भगवान ना हमेशा देखता है. एंड अगर आप दिल से सच में हार्ड वर्क करते हो, इफ यू वर्क 24/7, आप दिल से सब कुछ एफर्ट देते हो ना, भगवान ना तुम्हारे हाथ कभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे. एंड ये फैक्ट है, whenever I was very underconfident during my NEET SS exam, I used to feel it कि यार हम इतनी हार्ड वर्क डाल रहे हैं and God will not be fair with us, मतलब ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि he'll just leave us like that. And ये रिजल्ट्स में दिखा मेरे को. I was super अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट क्योंकि MBBS प्राइवेट में था, पापा को रैंक बेचना पड़ा, MD भी कुछ पेरिफेरल कॉलेज, कुछ खास नहीं था. आई वाज लाइक भाई लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, ऑलराइट. एंड आई वाज आल्सो डूइंग कंटेंट क्रिएशन. पीपल यूज्ड टू टॉक कि भाई ये बंदा को बस रील बनाना आता है, कुछ नहीं आता है इसको, ये सब टैग्स होता है. एंड it was not only for me, I had to prove it to everyone, even to my own parents. Even my parents were like, भाई तू डॉक्टर है, तू क्यों रील बना रहा है? So I had to prove to them, and all these factors, एक चीज मेरे को हेल्प हुआ कि यार भगवान ने मेरे को बिलीव दिया कि भाई अगर तुम सच में किसी चीज में हार्डवर्क करते हो, you will achieve it. 16 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, तुम कितने घंटे पढ़ रहे हो ये मैटर नहीं है, पर तुम कितने घंटे efficiently पढ़ रहे हो ये मैटर करता है. Like there are people who can study 8 hours a day and still output for 14 to 16 hours a day. Don't just sit in front of the table for 16 hours and think कि भाई मैं टॉपर बन जाऊंगा. नहीं, ये ऐसा नहीं होगा. You'll have to sit, you have to have a plan. इस आवर्स में ये टारगेट्स अचीव होना चाहिए. And God is watching. अगर तुम सच में हार्डवर्क डालती हो, you will achieve it. There is nothing which can stop you. So subscribe कर लेना. It's time to upgrade your life.